Hi guys, this is Right Page, and today we'll talk about critical reading strategy. Hi, I'm Dave. But before we start, we are encouraging you to like and subscribe our videos so that you will see our future videos and hope you will like them. Usually, students are having hard time in understanding reading passages in which reading comprehension is needed. Reading comprehension is the ability to process text, understand its meaning, and to integrate with what the reader already knows.
Academic reading requires focus and critical thinking. So, in order for us to attain this, we need to use different critical reading strategies. So, let us know more about the different stages of reading. Before reading, determine your purpose per reading. Predict the main idea or argument of the text based on its title. State what you already know and what you want to learn about the topic. During reading, annotate important parts of the text. Determine the main idea of the text. Underline or circle meanings or definitions.
Let us have this example excerpt.
This excerpt is from the United Nations Summit on Climate Change. At first, if you don't have that much vocabulary knowledge, then it would be hard for you to understand the text that uses high frequency words. If you will try to skim this text, you will encounter unfamiliar words.
When you are reading an excerpt, then suddenly, an unknown words are encountered. This may have effect on your understanding and the full content of the excerpt. What should you do? Of course, you should annotate. Annotate means to add notes or comments to a text, books, drawings, and etc. In this way, you will be able to comprehend the context easily.
Now we have an annotated essay, in which you put highlights on text that you think it's hard to understand. Also, through this, you will understand more about what you are reading since every words are already simplified. After reading, reflect on what you have learned. Link the main idea of the text to what you already know. You may paraphrase or summarize if told to.
Also, summarizing the text will help you understand the real content of the text, in which it is in a short and detailed way. Graphic organizers could be utilized to organize your ideas. Let's have this example.
In summarizing, it requires you to have a deeper understanding on what you are reading in order for you to summarize it well. In our case, we've used a problem solution chart since it laid down the informations about the problem, the effects, and how will it be addressed. Another critical reading strategy is SQ3R, which stands for Survey, Question, Read, Recite, and Review. Example: if you're taking an exam with many reading passages, this strategy will help you answer faster. The first thing for you to do is to skim the target text. Read the first few and last sentences of the text to determine the key information. Next is to go back to the question. The next thing is to read. Look for answers to your questions as you read the text. Make sure to proceed reading only when you already understand the previous text. Recite. Recount the main points of the text. Highlight or underline the important points you read. The last thing is to review. Evaluate what you learned to ensure that you are convinced and satisfied with the information presented in the text. The other critical reading strategy to use is the KWL chart. KWL chart will also guide you in reading and understanding a text. It has three columns, where in the first column is what you already know, the second column is what you want to learn, and the third column is what you have learned from the text. Those are different critical reading strategies to be used. Recap: before reading, during reading, after reading, SQ3R, and KWL chart.
Once again, this is Right PH, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.